It's just a fantastic facility to come to Bletchley Park, where such a rich history for the United Kingdom.
So the reason we've come here today to Bletchley is to talk about operationalising AI. Bletchley Park during the Second World War was obviously the site of code breaking, so over 5,000 data scientists, mathematicians were on this site doing some really important work for the war.
My session today is all about Amy's approach to operationalising AI and how it all starts with us asking the end users a really simple question, which is, what would you ask of your data if AI could get the answers for you or perform actions on your behalf?
So my session today was all about getting the right culture in the organisation for the best results with your data and your AI strategy.
I think everyone is obviously interested in generative AI and the technology. Now, where it becomes challenging, and this is what we actually want to learn, is how do you turn that technology into actionable, value generated and productionized products. And from that perspective, it is very interesting to be here because Amy has got a lot of interesting experiences and presentations around how we actually put this Gen AI into practice and how we work with it and what are the key challenges. And I think everyone is obviously keen and interested in how the technology works.
Certainly Paul's, the CTO's presentation was very good, very practical, liked that. I think a lot of organisations would be good to see that kind of information, the kind of concepts and the achievability and what matters. I like that, and there's a few good use cases from industry there as well.
By coming today, I really hope that the attendees can start to learn from some examples within other sectors and their own sector of where people have done some successful work with AI already, and begin to form their own roadmap and the next steps of what they're going to do when they get back to the office tomorrow. So how they're going to really start to move from experimentation through to full-scale operationalizing of AI.
But it was good to see that it isn't just my organization who's working incredibly hard to be AI ready. There are many other organizations of similar sizes, smaller sizes, bigger sizes, who are exactly in the same place, so that honest admission was very refreshing.
The most interesting thing, I think the emphasis on learning in terms of trying something yourself and then seeing it through. The technology is so new that hiring someone with 10 years in LLM is never going to happen. So just about that, using their own technology to deliver more technology is a great way of working.
So much to learn today.